Hello and welcome to another 1 Minute with Belzona. My name is Paola Chavez and I am a chemical engineer at Belzona Technical Service Department. Today we will be talking about parks and monuments and how Belzona can help to repair and maintain these historic and recreational areas. Our advanced technology is developed to maintain and repair the infrastructure of parks and monuments that have been damaged by the passage of time and aggression of the environment. Belzona products are specifically designed to provide outstanding protection against erosion and corrosion, as well as chemical resistance from the harsh elements present in the environment, such as moisture, wind, snow, and high and low temperatures that cause deterioration on these structures along the years. Belzona products can provide protection against corrosion and erosion for almost all the areas existing in this type of facilities. Some examples that we can mention are concrete areas, concrete deck, metallic areas, stairs, sidewalks, pumps, HVAC, cooling towers, expansion joints, asphalt trails, park furniture, and many others. Those are some examples of how Belzona can help to repair and maintain our historic heritage so future generations can have the opportunity to visit and continue enjoying them. I hope you like this video and we will see you in the next one.